Hey guys, to watch this video here for Wednesday, December 8th. Today, I don't really have any highlights. I made a little bit of money, but you look at the SPY, big gap up and a nice strong day. But when you go to intraday, something interesting happens. You see where it ran up the first, I don't know, 30 minutes, 40 minutes, maybe an hour, and then straight sideways all day. And there was very little thing, very few things moving. Got a couple pullback plays in strong stocks, but I'm going to keep this short. One thing I will point out is the 2 days ago the market closed right there, and then it had a big, fairly sizable gap up the next day from the close. Right, see it, and then today a huge gap up. For me, a long bias trader, and most of you know this, the least favorite environment to trade in on an intraday basis, and that's all I do is trade intraday, is big market gaps up. And we've had that 2 days in a row. So if you're frustrated at all, trading kind of like my style, I am too. But we're not going to get this every day. We're going to have plenty of stuff to trade. So I'm just trying to chill and enjoy, enjoy doing next to nothing until we get some action. But like I said, just a few trades today. What am I watching for tomorrow? DWAC gapped up here, came back down, and then ended up going out at its highs today. Somebody made a nice late day call through 50 right there, and it actually moved a little higher, I think, in after hours. But right now it's trading at 50.70. So anyway, I want to watch that one. CFVI is the one with Rumble going public. So this one, it's a weird chart because you've only got 4 days of action to go off of, but still going to keep it on watch. I loved it today. If it could have got over this lower high that I put in intraday, and instead it just tailed off the rest of the day, so I didn't get the trade. LGVN is just a recent high flyer, kind of sitting in that buy zone, so I want to keep an eye on that one. CPIX had the big rip yesterday. Today, a quiet inside day, so looking for a third day play. ENSC, big breakout today. Want to watch that one for a follow-through day tomorrow. CPIX, I've got that on the list twice, so I don't have as many stocks as I thought. Let's keep going. ACET. This is interesting because you had the gap up and then kind of the neutral day closed about where it opened. Then today, a nice inside day, but closed above its open. But as I'm babbling, it's trading at 14.10. Looks like I got a little selling pressure in after hours. That's not a lot of selling. Anyway, I'm looking for it's kind of coiling, so I am looking for a potential long tomorrow if we get a setup. Qualcomm, you can kind of picture it flagging after this big rip, and this whole space is very strong. So looking for potential long in that one tomorrow. SP, that's QCOM. SPWH just goes back on bounce watch today, another red day. And I don't know. I don't love this, but AERC topped out today at 14. Well, actually, it looked like maybe 1402. And then yesterday's high, 1468. I feel really comfortable not even having this on the list, but it is another red day. I'm going to keep an eye on it, but I don't love it. It's just a really, really beaten up stock. And as you can tell from my voice, I'm not in love with this list, but hopefully we'll find some decent gappers or something to trade tomorrow, and we won't get the big gap up in the market, and that would make trading a little better as well. I'm done babbling. I'll see you guys in the chat room in the morning.